Hello, good evening, good day, everyone. It's me, your friend, Mommy Juliet. I'm here again to say thanks to my new subscriber. It's me, your friend, your love, your everything, Mommy Juliet TV. I love you all. Stay blessed. Thanks to you all. Thanks to everybody that have subscribed to my YouTube channel, and those of you that have not subscribed, try and subscribe. The way you do for me, that's how somebody will do it for you too. You are blessed. Thank you. Happy Sunday to you all. Okay, let's go. Today's topic, I'm going to be talking about, I don't know what I'm going, I don't know how to put it so that I don't offend anybody. You understand? I'm trying to do my video, my program without offending anybody, but it's very difficult to offend people. It's very difficult not to offend people. Maybe what you like is not what I like. You understand? So today I will be trying not to offend anybody. Please don't take it as offense, okay? Okay. As una know, na broke we take dey talk this our program. So this today topic na be say I want to talk to my brothers, I want to talk to my sisters, I want to talk to my mommy and daddy in the house. We where we dey Europe, we dey everywhere in Europe, America and London, anywhere where you dey, you understand? We don't travel comot for our country, come another place. I want talk to us. As me take learn, I want to tell una so. I beg. If you come place, for example, you come Spain, you read there, don't they speak English where where would they talk for our country? And to put up for school for Nigeria, na big money. If your papa go fit tell you say no get, they put you, I beg get that, I not get money, and you don't see get the opportunity to go school. When you come reach the Europe, they give us opportunity. They will give you that opportunity where you want before for house. Your father no fit do one for you. School free, school free. School, you go free. You go learn what you want, like me you learn there. You don't give you certificate of secondary school, this and university will put up for your hand. Free school. When will they fight for Nigeria? Our mama with our papa no fit do one for us. We'll say my papa not get money, enough you put up for school. We can't reach here. We can't see free school. I know I will use myself to make example. When I come, I don't get that opportunity. Because na person bring me come. I don't want to go into details. We know what they talk about. Na person bring me come. He say come pay. You understand? Now my mentality like we can't pay. So I don't know. She don't tell me anything. Say something like this they happen. Something like this we know something like this they happen for where we dey. We don't know. But the time when you tell no, my brothers and sisters. The time when me tell no, now I enter. I know they use and follow person play. If you dey Spanish, they call an adult school. Escuela de adulto. That's they call them. Go use that opportunity. If you not get work or you get work, use that evening time. That they get her for evening, that they get her for morning, they give person time to enter. Because many of us, we are saying that money with the pursue they go, and when we come they speak the language, they speak anyhow. For me, when I enter the school, I saw when they hear they talk, I say I sabi speak Spanish. Now me that they talk, Susie. I sabi speak Spanish, the people say, okay, tell me this one. I speak and he say no. He said they put Bible. The Bible, you mean present tense and past tense, and they put all of them together. That's a he. So the one when I all learn for go work, do all this one, that one, no. He said no. I call them shame to talk for class. So if they ask question, all these people will not sabi even speak language. When you come, the breed they come, their husband new breed they come for their country, enter, the people come they speak language. Me not come fit talk again because wetin I learn come they confuse me. that street language when I learn. E come dey confuse me for class. When the woman go talk, I'll say, he go say, Juliet, answer. I'll say, I'm not sure, I not go talk. I can't be like slow poison for inside class. Because wetin I learn for street, na useless one, bad one. Wetin be she, I go put am say for he. You understand? So now this one you see come, I can't see tell my people, say I beg. If they give an opportunity wherever you are, nothing come Europe and come tell me say, now because they did not give me opportunity, now make me not come sabi, I not come go to school, now lie, they give oh. If you just they come, they'll say free. Quiere escuela de adulto, no sabe, they'll say, vete ahí a aprender idioma. They'll just send you go there, go aprender idioma. Idioma means say learn how to speak language. Now we Nigeria, you know, say na money break us, cause we all they pursue money. We just say no, na me they go there, they craze, na me that they talk to, na me you can't bring different excuse. I don't want our mentality. Now, cause I can't tell all my Nigeria people, even Ghana, even Senegal, all of the way they hear me. I don't know where Senegal and France, the French, neither they speak. So I can't talk to them. I don't know how to speak French. Okay. So people when don't they hear this broken when they talk, I beg. If una come any place, if they tell una say I beg, mona go class, mona try, mona go, mona learn how to do something free. For Nigeria, if you want learn how to sew cloth, you go pay. If you want learn how to do hair, you go pay. If you want learn how to fix electricity, you go pay. It not be you to work on command. If you want to do anything, you must pay. You must pay to learn it. But Europe, they will give you that free time. You don't have to pay. They will even they beg you, say, I beg. My brother, my sister, go to this school. He get one when I know, I tell her, if you they come in, they say I can't speak language for year. Follow me, come. I will they follow office to office. Now say I give her advice. So for you to see all these people when you know. Now say, sister, me they go school. Me you come they join me. So that you they learn this language. I don't have to be going to office speaking language for you. No be say no one help you. One day or they work. I get my family, I get my children. If you come, if I don't get time for you, the verse, you go join me for this. This woman take and say is offense. That because I call you, you can't do me like this. You can't go to tell people they go. You see our mentality. Do you mind to out it today? Will not they talk? You go tell people many things where I not talk. Because I you tell her, say, sister, if you call me, I feel they go. I go bank with her. I go Hacienda. If people with this Spanish go no. I go many places with her. Now I tell her one day, say, sister, go. I they work. I'm a worker. I'm a businesswoman. I know they get time. I'm a mother too. I'm a married woman. You know if they call me, say, oh, they don't follow you. Now I tell her, say, I beg. If you today I go feel help you. Next tomorrow, I beg, try me, you can't start school when I they go. Me, I'll get time to go school. I'll get time to work. I'll get time to take off my children. I'll get time to take off my husband. I'll get time to clean my house. You think I'm stupid? No. Because I don't get the opportunity for us to go to school when I want. As I can't reach and I say, opportunity don't come, I grab the opportunity. They tell me say you not go pay. They tell me say go there and learn more. If I know they work, I will go there. If I see they work in the evening, I'll see go there. 1 hour, I will go there. I go ask question when I don't know. They'll give me own work. I'll carry out. My husband, the time when I start to read Spanish, my husband will be he bad for me. Before if they send me message of Spanish, I'll call and say, my husband come check this thing where they sent for me. I don't know what it mean. My husband will read that. He go even they come they break it down for English. Say see what it mean because they even tell me for Spanish. I don't know what it mean. You understand? My children go bring on work because of our children. I beg mothers, fathers, because of our children. Mona they go to school. If now 1 hour in the evening, if now 1 hour in the morning, go. Because children go bring on work on us. They go ask you, say, Mama, see what they talk. What you go come talk? You say, my wait for your papa. If papa go come, you go say, my wait for your auntie. Tell your teacher, say, I don't know her. My children go bring on work. How they wait for my husband. say, oh God, wetin dem come talk now? My first pikin. I say, wetin you come talk now? I don't know. Fine, I'm gonna wait for you, Papa. Papa come 6 o'clock. I'll come back, greet am, give am food. I don't know wetin I will talk again because is wetin Spanish they call her inuti. Inuti. Woman wey you put for us. Inuti, naughty day. You know, sabi do anything inuti. Una unuta. No sabi nada. Now I be before. When he go come, I come cook. I come do bath. When he does sit down, say, get on work. Oh, when they bring you, say, the pikin never do work. I say, no, they bring her. I look at the pikin, don't understand. And I say, man, not disturb you for work. When you come, you go say, this night, the pikin is supposed to go to bed. We have to start doing no work. Go to school. You don't want to go. The shot. The disgrace. For me, I don't want anybody to disgrace me like that. Oh. The man is suffering, they talking for my own because he don't force me. I say I know they go. When you can't talk, you can't go. I can't think. Say, God. I go to school. I tell them, say, I want to enter now. So that I'll help my pikin. Not be only my husband. So that he gonna know, say, I did useful for house. I don't be only say, come cook, come do sex, you finish. You understand? Marriage is not about sex and cook. No. Get small things we see they go inside. I'll talk that one. I don't come miss the topic. If I too miss and people go confused. So I will talk about that next time. You understand? This one why I use the talk. I use the beg on anywhere on a day. UK, London, Germany, anywhere on a day for Europe. Even though they don't speak English. Go to school. Then they say I don't know it. Your region surround. I surrender, oh. I surrender, oh. Surround yourself. Then they say, I know you know. I be want to help me. You know, say, problem you say out is problem that is solved. I don't know how they put that parable. The problem when you talk out, not the problem when you don't solve. Tell they say, I know you know, wanna show me so that I will be showing my children. Bring yourself down. Tell they say, I know you know. My children, they bring on work. I know you know. And when I go that Spanish, you can say, they say, our A na A, B, C, D, I, E. Hey, they teach me that come for us. Now A, B, C, D, I will know. Now, as they you talk, and I say, me no, you know, I want to start for primary. Second, no, nursery school. I want to start for nursery school. They say, see. They put me for nursery school. I start for nursery school to this one when I did. So they want push me to another class. I say, you push, you leave me alone. Let me know more. Now because even the first night, I said, you push, you leave me alone. They come and serve más aquí. Por favor, cuando yo tengo necesidad para otro clase, yo me voy. You see, huh? I can't know her. The one when I know for street before, now useless one. The one where people not they naughty day inside, now they show us. So if you now get the opportunity to go to school for where you are, in anywhere, in any place you are living, they say go school free. We know they pay now. Try make you go because of your future of your children, future of you. When they bring letter for us, you don't put yourself low down, go they find it, but go they read that for you. You don't put yourself low down, go they disturb your children when they do homework. You don't put yourself low down to be doing what you don't supposed to do. You go they find people who come they read letter for you. People who go they read text message for you. For work now, work don't change. The time when I start work, 2000, I want to tell you now. When we will reach, they will tell us with mouth, you do this, you do this. You know the way that they do now? They go write that for board. They go write that for board for us. They go tell you where you go work. If I use if I they change, I'll go board, go read. You will go here, you will go here, you will go here, you will go here. And they don't talk to you anymore. Life don't change. Nobody is talking to anybody anymore. If you go work, Kefe no go tell you, you go write your name, you go write where you they go join her. If you not sabi read, you go call another person. Tell me where they go. They go even ask you say to no sabi here. You say no, they'll go talk to Kefe say, person when you bring every day they read for it, not sabi. The Kefe go drive you, you go lose the opportunity where God give you. He get one when I go call, say, come on, go. He go say, I better not come in. I know your chat. I know they go. I they sleep. I know this one. And if you know what to want, when you know, I be the one for Ramo. He use that to enemy. Because my husband not dead there for me. My husband feel they help me because he must get your life. He go walk. He go come back. He go do this one. He go do this. I'll see they wait for night. Say, make go do children won't work. What do me can they do? Women, this message when I talk, keep it into your hand. Man, you know good way my way there. As you know, if you follow a picking don't work. The picking go say, my father not serving another. My papa don't know anything. If you get the opportunity, may you take go school for 1 hour. Do it because of your children. Because they say, behave the way people where you come meet, the way they behave. I beg, more I don't let you na children come they suffer because say my papa no fit help me, my mama no fit help me. The children come they repeat class. Or if when they see now they sit down with their children, follow they do work. What if they don't understand when they will call there, you go say, Mama, este que significa? You go tell them say, Mama, mi hija or mi hijo, mira que significa. You are dead there for them. That's why you be mama. That's why you be papa. They there for them. Where you fit to help them. Now this small advice. Now I say I can't tell my people. I love you all. Well, I love this. I hear the thinker. Now I say I can't see talk. What happen to me now? They give advice. You understand? I beg, Mona take the advice. Mona no look at Mona pass this video. Mona say I beg, may go die. Una self una dey do. May go die. I beg, may carry one with the crazy, the mad. Which kind of person be this one? I want give me advice. No, God cannot fall for heaven to come and advise you. It's we human being that advise each other. Try and go to school. It's free in Europe, wherever you are. Adult school, where they call say adult school for Nigeria. If they here free, they go put you and they go teach you. If you don't understand, or you both get that love to teach. Tell and say, Prophet, don't be rude. No insult. Prophet, I don't understand what you they teach me. For me, they know me for my class. Like me, anyway, when I go to boss know me, I tell her, me not feel proud. They say, Prophet, what you the toxins? If I tell you, say, you're comprending ninguno, you está ganando. You go say, I say, show me again. You must come break am down. You go come break am. Even schoolmates, even say go come even tell me say Juliet is like this, Juliet take it like this. You go enter my brain. If I dey read now, my husband dey surprised. I know they wait till later come my house. I go read that. If I want tear am, if I don't want me know, I go tear am. You see the secret. You go tear am. You don't want me know. See later. If you don't know, uncle, you dey wait me come read am. When you read that, you go first look. You say what? You go say, what? Are you mad? Did you know what is this? You go say, no, I don't know. What is it? You are a foolish somebody. Go and learn. Don't say, my partner put me for school. Now I make me, they sleep, so sleep. You use all your time. Then they sleep. Me no fit sleep. I don't sabi sleep afternoon. If you say my sleep afternoon, I still keep person. I don't fit sleep. My children don't say they sleep because waiting I know sabi sleep. I go to force my children sleep. It's afternoon. Siesta. Sleep. No. What you be that one? I don't sleep afternoon sleep. Me away. Now that night I'll just sleep 5:30. I don't wake up. I know they sleep Saturday. My husband tell me say off the phone. In the sleep. Today na Saturday. I can't put earpiece for a year. Because my body don't used to the system. Me no dey sleep. Me away, because I don't they used to work hard. How you dey sleep? You go they sleep all your dream. So people will sleep. 12 o'clock, 1, they go wake up, they'll go eat, they'll go bed again, they'll go sleep all their time. You get the time when I work nights work. When I work night work, I'll go drop my children for school. When I reach house, I don't see sleep. My husband will come, he go say, tu estás durmiendo, I say, I don't see sleep. He go say, close all the curtain. Make am be night for you inside room. Sleep. I will try. I don't feel sleep. Because I don't fit. Now that night I take the rest for that 6 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours. I go sleep. Later I no go fit sleep again. Close, I go sleep only 2 hours. I you wake up, my eye go open, boy. Because I no go work night work again. I beg. Small sleep when I see they sleep for night. I no fit come dey sleep. Daytime, and they used to daytime to sleep. Some people too they sleep, oh. You just sleep all your dream. You go sleep all your time. We are for the work before. When they come in, they'll say, oh, Wigbo. I not be a Wigbo. I'll say you do like money. Not be say I like money. I don't feel they sleep. If you offer me work, if I see say the work say they simple, I'll feel do one for my time, for my children time, for my husband time. If they're comfortable, I go do one. What you come they do for us, they sleep. Or come they call me, how you they come they look telenovela. Come I don't get time for that one. So now that's more advice. Now I can't say I can't tell you now. You people should think about it. Not to say what this woman talk useless thing. Think about it. Go to school. Drop your children in the school. That 4 hours. If you not get work, go to school. If you get work in the evening, they get 1 hour. Go so that you will be somebody in future. Okay, my curry people, I love you all. Stay blessed, and I will be coming with another topic. Okay, thank you very much for subscribing my YouTube channel, and people that have not subscribed, after watching this video, please share it and subscribe. Put your like and put your comment so that I will read it and it will make me to move forward. You understand? Your comment can make me to move forward. What you think about me, what you think about what I did, you know, just write it below my video, understand? So that I will answer you and I will thank you for everything, for your comment, okay? I love you all. Stay blessed. Remember, Jesus is our strength. Thanks. One love.